Hi, I'm Natasha, a digestive wellness specialist and a certified holistic nutritional practitioner, and the founder of Natasha's Natural Wellness and Herbal Remedies. I help women and families reconnect with their bodies and restore balance through nutrition, herbal remedies, and mindful lifestyle practices. So, what exactly is a digestive wellness specialist? What does a digestive wellness specialist do? At the heart of it, I help you understand your gut as the foundation of your health. If you've ever struggled with bloating, fatigue, irregular bowel movements, constipation, or even food sensitivities, this can show that you are having some unbalancing in your body, and there are signals that your digestive system is asking for support. In my work, I look at the whole picture, not just the symptoms, but what's actually causing them. I review your nutrition, lifestyle, stress levels, and even your emotional well being to find the root cause of your imbalance. From there, I create a personalized plan that includes whole foods, herbs, and natural tools that strengthen digestion, reduce inflammation, and bring your body back into harmony. My goal is to help you feel lighter, more energized, and truly in tune with your body's natural rhythm. So, that is the scope of what a digestive wellness specialist does. Now, if this message resonates with you and you are ready to start your journey towards better digestion and balance, you can book a digestive wellness consultation with me at Natasha's Natural Wellness and Herbal Remedies with the link here and also through my Facebook and Instagram page. Remember, your body knows how to heal. It just needs the right support. Thank you so much for tuning in, and stay tuned for what does it end at the other one. Until then, remember to stay nourished and keep thriving. And I'm Natasha, your digestive wellness specialist and certified holistic nutritional practitioner and founder of Natasha's Natural Wellness and Herbal Remedies. Let's rebuild your gut health one mindful meal and one gentle step at a time.